to another piece of news that's coming in. A rare diplomatic appointment with a clear political signal. Former Union Minister Dinesh Trivedi is set to be India's next High Commissioner to Bangladesh. This marks a notable departure from the usual practice of career diplomats heading such missions. So the Modi government has chosen a seasoned politician with decades of parliamentary and ministerial experience for one of India's most strategic neighborhood postings. Now, what makes this appointment so significant is that Dinesh Trivedi has deep roots in West Bengal. Going across to my colleague Srinjoy Chaudhary. Dinesh Trivedi, former MP from Barrackpur, deep roots in West Bengal. It's a rare departure from, usually a non-diplomat picked for a job at a time when the focus is on how to reset ties between India and Bangladesh.
Yes, Dinesh Trivedi is the name for Bangladesh as High Commissioner of Bangladesh, and he was Union Railway Minister in the past. He joined the BJP a while ago. It's very important to note that initially the name that was suggested by India for High Commissioner was not really acceptable to Bangladesh. In the Dinesh Trivedi's case, the agrimo has been sent to Dhaka, and we'll have to see how Dhaka deals with it. But India is very keen that Dinesh Trivedi has the chance to be High Commissioner and improve ties with Dhaka.
Right.
Of course, in the past, there have been political appointees. From his state alone, Siddhartha Shankar Ray was ambassador to the United States. So people like that, political appointees have happened in the past. Dr. Karan Singh was a political appointee, also a High Commissioner. So there have been times, particularly to Britain and America,
right,
there have been lots and lots of political appointees. But Dhaka, Dinesh Trivedi is Bengali speaking, as Times Now had reported in the past,
yes,
that the High Commissioner could well be a politician, a Bengali speaking politician. And Dinesh Trivedi has the opportunity to be in Dhaka, hopefully, and improve ties with Bangladesh.
Yes, and Dinesh Trivedi will replace outgoing High Commissioner Pranay Verma, who is set to be posted to Brussels. Thank you so much, Srinjoy Chaudhary, for joining us with all those details. Time for us to slip into a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates.